I guess I'm going to come in here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Surface laptop charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. So just in time, mine's kind of giving out a little bit. It's got the manual. Here is the actual charger itself. And the other side to it, which we can go ahead and just hook up now. Just in time, my laptop is dead, so let's go and actually hook it up and see if it works. And as you can see, that lights up. So let's actually hook it up to our Surface. And as you can see, it went ahead and lit up here as well. So let's go ahead and actually turn it on. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and just let it boot up. All right, I'm just gonna show you down here that it is charging. So very, very cool. This is a 65-watt Surface Pro charger compatible with nearly every Surface model, including the Surface Go models. It's about half the width of the original Microsoft charger, so it's way more compact and easier to travel with. The LED light indicator is bright but not too distracting, and the magnetic connector locks in firmly without feeling loose. It supports 45-watt, 36-watt, and 24-watt output, automatically adjusting to your device. So if you guys are looking for a new Surface charger, maybe just a replacement or just an extra one to have in case you guys are traveling, just to keep looking in your travel bag, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours.